Alright, so we're out here right now.
This is really gonna suck. Fuck!
Freaking F32 Matt behind the camera. Jack's under his car right now. I told him do an intro, but he wasn't listening.
Bro, okay. Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Thanks for watching. Today we're doing diverter valve. As you can see, I'm already under my car, and yeah, this is like one of the hardest installs to do, just because of the placement of where the diverter valve is. So yeah, let's get right into it.
As you can see, he's pissed. So, what you're doing?
Well, right now, if you look underneath the car, there's a big aluminum under tray. I'm taking that out.
And Express.
Where? I never even know.
Oh. This is so awkward.
Yeah.
There we go. Gotta use my sweet finger skills.
Alright, that's good. Alright guys, so we took off the under tray, the metal part, and that kind of gives you just a better view. You see that one little bolt right there? That whole thing is the diverter valve. And there's literally no way to like get at it. That's why it's so hard. Once you do it,
I'm about to throw an in.
it's pretty easy to put back in. Alright guys, it's been like 45 minutes. I gave up. So Cam's taking a look at it. Yeah.
Fuck. Yo, what?
Dude, there's literally no way to get under there. Anyways, look at Gigi.
Yeah, dude.
Look at this cute dog.
Look at her. Oh my god. G. Matt's over here doing nothing like always.
Alright, well, I'm looking up the new camera shit, alright?
He's probably gonna do a camera for when he doesn't do his installs. So we technically don't have all the right tools, so we're going to Home Depot and grabbing some bits so we can loosen the water cooler, and then we're also gonna get a 90-degree bendy thing for the ratchet. We're gonna get a bendy thing for the ratchet. All right, quick update for y'all real quick. We got one bolt out, Cam's getting the other one, it's almost out, and then we're gonna go on to the third one. That's super freaking hard. I'll let y'all know how we do it. But I was just under there and I found out that my transmission bolt was loose. I'll show y'all.
Jack's finding out that his freaking, one of his transmission bolts is loose.
That bolt right there is loose as shit. Who the fuck would loosen that? Look at that. That one right there. It's literally finger tight.
I decided I was jealous of you having a cool, fast car, so I decided to sabotage you.
Yeah, Cam's on here loosening everything.
Yeah, I just see like bolts. I'm like, oh, that looks good to loosen. That's probably important. Challenge. So I'm having to kind of thread the needle here. So that's my current process.
What?
Give him an update.
What is there to update? We fucking dropped the bit in there. We had to go get another bit, the wrong bit. We went to Home Depot 3 times. We went to Lowe's once. Anyways, it's already almost 5 o'clock and we started this at 10 in the morning. Update number 57. We're attempting one new way of getting into it. We took out the air intake, and we're gonna go from the top, maybe.
You're sitting on the bolt. They're in that tray.
Oh, okay. I closed the tray, put it over there.
I'm just above it, just a little bit.
All over the place.
Alright, we finally got this bitch off.
Jonah, where'd you go?
After finally taking out the fan, the intercooler, the air intake.
And me.
So yeah, what you do to pretty much put this on. So, I already did it, but like, there's a spring that goes in there, and then this, you gotta lube it up with a bunch of motor oil. You shove it in there, and then you make sure that notch is lined up with the notch there, and you press it on real tight. And that's it. It's really easy once you do the fucking bolts. Alright, we are on my phone camera now. It's fucking
2 o'clock.
2 in the morning, and we just got finished. The garage is a mess. Look at this. It's tools everywhere. Anyways, we got the diverter valve on. We're gonna go take it for a little test drive. If you do though, take off your intercooler, take off your fan and the water pump, and we even loosened the steering rack. I'm gonna film more tomorrow because I'm too tired right now to do anything. What's up, guys? It's like been a week, I think, since the last time I picked up the camera. Last y'all know we were in my garage trying to install the damn diverter valve. Well, it's in, we got it to work. So what we did, we come over here, I took out the whole intake, all the way down to like this, so the pipe's gone and the filter's not gone. Shout out to Jonah for helping us and being the smart one. So we took out my intercooler, and then we pulled up this fan. So this is the radiator fan right here, and with this gone, there's a couple like screws that are holding this in, like 2 right here and then 2 on the other side. And we lifted it up, probably about like halfway. Like there was a lot of room with the intercooler gone, so we could poke our heads in and then use a straight bit straight into the 3rd bolt. That way we didn't have to go at a weird angle or anything, so that cleared up a lot of space. Some of y'all had been asking like, what were you doing? How'd you do it so easily? And I'm like, well, we started out, I mean, it was like 12 hours we were working on it, and Jonah came over and did it in like an hour. So the Keys Motorsports install, what he did with it, he basically loosened the water pump. There's 3 bolts, so there's 2 on the bottom and 1 on the top, and it looks like a round, like, I don't know, water pump. I don't know how to describe it. But what we did, we loosened that, and it's like, if you go straight down from right here, that's where it is, like at the very bottom.
You can see it when you're under the car too.
We loosened it, and it's just silicone hoses that are attached to it, so it's fairly movable. So we just kind of moved it to the side so we could fit our hand in there.
Yeah.
I rate this install definitely as the hardest install I've ever done. Like Matt said in one of his videos, I mean, we've done the hardest installs so far. Really.
Charge pipe and
fucking diverter valve.
Worse shit.
It can't get much harder. What else is there to do?